How to convert PDF to JPG on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your PDF files to JPG format. So first thing, simply head over to your browser and search in for the PDF to JPG converter, and make sure you enter into the Adobe official site, that is PDF to JPG converter, which is the official site of adobe.com. So once you're inside here, simply select a file, select a PDF file which you want to convert to the photo version. So let me just select any one of the PDF file. So let me just select this one and wait for some time for it to convert to JPG, and simply click on convert to JPG, and you have to wait for some time again for it to convert the process. And once you're done, simply click on download as it's free, and wait for some time once again, and as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded as a JPG format. So simply extract it like this, extract with the name, and as you can see, it has successfully converted into the JPG format. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.